My title of the story is The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, there lived an ant and a grasshopper in a grassy field. They were good friends but were totally different. The ant was very hardworking and used to work all day long. The ant woke up early in the morning and started her job of collecting the grain from farmer's field. She went to the field and came back with a heavy grain of wheat. It was hard for her to carry the weight of the grain on her head. The ant managed to put the grain carefully in her storeroom. She rested for a while and again hurried back to the field. She repeated this process for the whole day. On the other hand, the grasshopper would look at her and laugh. He asked the ant, "Why do you work so hard even when there is no need to do so?" The grasshopper wanted her to rest for a while and listen to his song. The ant replied, "I am working hard to save for the winters. You should also do the same." The grasshopper ignored her suggestion and the ant kept on collecting the grains. On the other hand, the grasshopper moved ahead while wasting the food. On the next morning, the grasshopper went out to play in the field, but the ant didn't come. The grasshopper kept on singing and dancing away alone in the field. In the evening, the grasshopper went to the ant house and said, "What a silly little ant you are. We have plenty of food right now. You better forget about work and enjoy the bright summer." But the ant ignored him. Time passed away and winters came. It became freezing cold and started to rain. The grasshopper was worried now. He didn't feel like singing and dancing due to extreme cold. He didn't have any food left. The grasshopper decided to go to the farmer's field to bring some food, but it was raining heavily. He thought, "Oh, what shall I do now?" The grasshopper thought, "I shall go to the ant and ask her for food and shelter." He went to the ant house and knocked at her door. The grasshopper cried, "Dear ant, open the door. I'm hungry and want something to eat." The ant opened the door. The grasshopper said, "Hello ant, please give me some food to eat." The ant replied, "I work hard in the summer when you were making fun of me. Please, 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 I'm hungry. I will die. Please help me. I have realized my mistake." The grasshopper cried. The ant said, "You should know the value of time." The grasshopper realized his mistake. The ant was very happy to see this and gave him plenty of food and clothes. The moral story is, be hardworking and save for the hard time. Thank you.